uRamsamy utshele ikhomishana kaMadlanga ukuthi uJohnson wamtshela ukuthi kulomhlangano onogada bakhe batshelwa ukuthi bame ngaphandle yena engangeni nomakhalekhukhwini wakhe.
She indicates that she had gone to Minister Mchunu house or residence for a meeting, and that she had left her cell phone with her protectors.
Uthi uJohnson wathi kulomhlangano kwakukhona nenhloko yezisebenze ehhovisi likaMchunu uCedric Nkabinde kanti ukuba khona kwakhe kwamenza wangakhululeka.
And she was left waiting for Minister Mchunu in his residence, but in the presence of Mr. Nkabinde. And that Mr. Nkabinde had given her the heebie-jeebies.
Did she explain what exactly made her feel uncomfortable?
She said, no, there's something, there's just something about him. We need to see what we can do about him.
Emva kwalomhlangano uJohnson wabe esecela ithimba labaphenyi kuIDEC ukuthi keliphenye ukuthi awekho yini amanyundululu elingawathola ngoNkabinde ukuze kube khona icala abamthwesa lona.
Advocate Johnson then instructs me, Drew, I want this information. I want this information. We need to see what we can do about this guy. When she says this guy, she refers to Mr. Nkabinde. If I may just put it as to how I understood it in the meeting on the 22nd of January. I want something on this guy.
Meaning what in your speak?
In my head, Advocate Johnson wanted dirt on Mr. Nkabinde, and she wanted to charge him.
uRamsamy uthi uJohnson wabatshela ukuthi uMchunu uthi ufuna ukukhuculula kuSAPS ikakhulukazi uphiko lwezobunhloli.
Advocate Johnson said to the team, the minister wants to clean up SAPS. He wants us to help him clean up SAPS, crime intelligence in specifically.
uRamsamy uphinde watshela ikhomishana ukuthi uMchunu kunofakazi amisa eEastern Cape esuka ePitoli ukuba ayokhulumisana nomphenyi omkhulu kuIDEC uDylan Peruma. Isicau siyaqhubeka.